maybe I don't feel like shucking these. Okay, maybe you should go and shuck them yourself, old man.
Dignified what she does when she sings, the smile that she brings to all of you unaware of what's to come. I said, tell me what's to come. Green is the color of my envy, it's the color of fame. So I'm gonna write it down, I'm gonna scream it out, and I'm never gonna be the same again. Fear is the color you've all exposed, and I gotta get up here and prove the importance of my clothes, of my pose, I suppose, again.